Hello everyone, thank you for watching our video. This is Angel Joe from BESTA Machine China. We wish to introduce you our wooden coffee stirring stick packing machine. For this packing machine in this video, it is no printing function. It is one piece per bag packing type. It is three-side sealing type. This machine is very easy for operation. It is no logo printing type. We are going to introduce you the working video for this machine. First, start this machine. The running speed for this machine can be adjusted. For this machine, it is a three-side sealing type. It is very easy for operation. In this working video, it is designed for 140mm length coffee stirring stick designing. You can see that the running of this machine is very smooth. For this machine, it can be designed according to your product size. If you wish to know more information about this machine and the price list, welcome to contact us. Welcome to add our WhatsApp or email us. Thank you for your kind watching. Thank you.